It's Justin, ladies and gentlemen. Wisconsin Circuit Court, County Court Judge, who was wrongfully, illegally arrested for supposedly attempt obstructive justice with ICE officials, pleads absolute immunity. The same bullshit that Trump tried playing fire with fire, baby. Let's take a look at this recording and break it all down. In today's recording, this third recording by Fox News. The article today, ladies and gentlemen, is titled, Wisconsin Judge Claims Absolute Immunity Calls DOJ Indictment an Ugly Innovation. And ladies and gentlemen, the article reads, the legal team representing a Wisconsin judge accused of helping a man evade immigration authorities recently expanded their motion to dismiss the case. Judge Hannah Dugan, Dugan's attorneys say that she is entitled to judicial immunity for her official acts and that the federal government overstepped its authority by arresting and charging her. Additionally, the legal team asserts in its memo that the charges violate the Constitution's 10th Amendment and the principle of separation of powers. They further argue that Dugan can be charged for conduct that is wholly unrelated to her duties as a judge, such as taking bribes or violating someone's constitutional rights. Dugan is not accused of doing either of those things in this case. Quote, the indictment itself is an ugly innovation. Its dismissal will not be, unquote, Dugan's attorneys in the memo write. The Wisconsin judge is accused of helping illegal immigrant Eduardo Flores evade plainclothes ICE agents who were allegedly attempting to serve him a warrant. A federal indictment claims Dugan, quote, falsely, unquote, told the agents that they needed a judicial warrant and directed them to go to the chief judge's office. Dugan then addressed the case off the record instead of holding the scheduled hearing. Flores faces 3 misdemeanor battery charges. Despite Dugan's efforts, Flores was arrested. The Department of Homeland Security celebrated Flores' arrest and slammed activists and judges who, in the department's view, have attempted to obstruct President Donald Trump's crackdown on illegal immigration. Quote, since President Trump was inaugurated, activist judges have tried to obstruct President Trump and the American people's mandate to make America safe and secure our homeland. But this judge's actions to shield an accused violent criminal illegal alien from justice is shocking and shameful, unquote. Tricia McLaughlin, Assistant Secretary, Department of Homeland Security, said in a statement. Footage released last week appears to show Dugan interacting with the ICE agents in a hallway before allegedly escorting Flores Ruse and his attorney out a private exit. On May 13, a grand jury indicted Dugan on federal charges of of concealing a person from arrest and obstruction of justice. Dugan pleaded not guilty and is scheduled to go to trial in July. If found guilty of both charges, she could face up to 6 years in prison and $350,000 in fines. A member of Dugan's legal team declined to comment on the case. Ladies and gentlemen, firstly, the two-page indictment that is very brief, that Donald Trump and Pam Bondi wrote up is very brief. I did reporting on it recently. If you want to go check it out, there will be a link down below in the video description with all my past legal breaking reportings. It won't stand in court. Many legal experts, including me, think that the case will not stand. And if it does, this is either an illegal attempt of judicial overreach, or this actually happened. Which, more than likely, it did not actually happen, and it is a complete overreach and abuse of justice. And Donald Trump and Pam Bondi need to be held accountable, as well as Tom Homan need to be held accountable. F. Donald Trump, F. Pam Bondi, F. Taco Boy, and F. Tom Homan. You guys suck. You guys do not belong. Neither of you belong in the U.S. government. F you guys. F Taco Boy. F Taco Boy. That is going to do it for this legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy this legal breaking reporting, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Firstly, secondly, if you want to make sure that you never miss a brand new legal breaking reporting and video analysis update and video reporting, please hit the bell icon. Secondly, as well as the all notifications option. The bell icon is located directly beneath the screen here on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Thirdly, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys also want to stay up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please follow me on my social medias that'll be linked down below in the video description. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, as well as TikTok and Instagram. Fifthly, ladies and gentlemen, Please stay positive. Please stay safe. Know that justice will prevail on the correct side of the law. Eventually, despite Donald Trump and his illegal, unconstitutional regime and administration's illegal executive orders, actions, and behaviors. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the goal of 170 plus subscribers. The reason why, ladies and gentlemen, I am saying 170 plus subscribers is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve. Right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers. Until my next legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen, I will talk to you guys in the next reporting.